Assalamu alaikum guys. You may have remembered that I taught a complete way to create a sign up form using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But in this video I'll show you how to submit form data to PHP MySQL database. First of all, you will have to download Xampp in your PC or laptop, okay, which I have downloaded it. So now let's jump into its directory, okay, its folder, okay, and come in htdocs. And guys, here I have created a folder with name sign up form, and here I have that sign up forms file, okay, which I created from my previous videos, okay, and I have changed its extension in .php, okay. And now let's come in text editor to see how can we submit form data using PHP, okay, and I'll also save it on database MySQL, okay. So guys, I have reached on signup.php file, okay, and now I'm gonna start a PHP tag, okay, for my PHP language, and this is closing tag which I have closed. Now guys, I'm gonna create an if statement, and I'll say here if is set $post submit button, okay. Now guys, I'm letting dollar first name is equal to trim function, okay, and dollar post first name, okay, first name, which is its this tag name which I have submitted here. And now dollar first name is equal to HTML entities dollar first name, okay, this variable. Now guys, on the same way I'll gather whole input fields value, okay. So here I'll take last name, okay, which is here, and now I'll get user email, okay, and at the next, sorry, this line will never come here. And now it's time to get password is equal to $post last password, okay. And now I think gender is left, yep, user gender. So user gender is equal to $post user gender. And now guys, I have gathered all the values, and after this I'll run a query. But before that, let's create a database, okay. So for that operation I'm gonna run Xampp server. So I have started its control panel, okay, and I'm starting it Apache and MySQL. Okay guys, it is being started successfully. And now let's come on the browser, okay, for our PHP my admin. Now guys, let's say here localhost /php my admin, okay, and here I'll create a new database and with name sign up login, okay, and user info with 6 rows. Okay, and go. And now guys, I'll say here user ID, and it will be int 11 and let its primary key. Okay, and auto increment here. And next one guys, and here guys I'll say first name and with varchar 255, and here I'll say last name and it will also be varchar 255. Okay, and this one will be user gender. Okay, and it will be enum and its values will be male and female and other. Okay, we are selecting it for user gender. And now guys, next one is password, sorry, user email. Okay, and it will also be varchar 255, and this one will be user password and it will be varchar and 255. Now guys, I think our database is ready to go, so save it. Okay guys, our database is being created and here are the columns and rows. Guys, before I'll run a query, I'll have to set a connection. Okay, so I'm saying here connect is equal to new and PDO, and here I'm saying MySQL and host is equal to localhost and DB name is equal to signup login. Okay, and root and password field is blank. Or guys, if the connection will be interrupted, then I'm saying here if die, and I'm saying here oops, something went wrong. Okay, and now guys, it's time to create data. Okay, is equal to array okay, and here I'll say first name is equal to greater than $first name. Okay, and next one will be last name and it will also be $last name. Okay, and here next one is email. Okay, user email is equal to user email. Okay, and next one is password. I'm saying here user password is equal to greater than $password. Okay, and guys, here I have one thing more, which is user gender. Okay, and here I'm saying user gender, user gender. Okay, I'm right. And now guys, let's $query is equal to, and let's say here insert into user info. Okay, let's say here first name, last name, user gender, user email, and user password. Okay, and values will be double column first name and double column, and will be last name, and next one is user gender. Okay, so user gender and right. Now next value is user email, and next one is user password. Okay, and I'm wrong here, last name. Okay guys, I think but query is ready. Okay, and now let's say here dollar statement is equal to dollar connect prepare dollar query. Okay, and here dollar statement execute dollar data. Okay guys, I'm sure that our coding is ready, and now let's save the file. I'm saving it by simply pressing Ctrl+S, and now let's jump on the browser to see its output. Sorry guys, I got an error here which was spell mistake. Okay, so I'm saying here connect. Okay, now guys, save the file and continue our work. Now guys, I have reached on the browser, and I'm saying here localhost, and okay, and here is the sign up form. You know guys, I'm going to sign up form folder, okay, using my local host, which is here, and now I'm gonna click on signup.php file. And guys, this is our sign up form. Okay, and now I'm submitting here. I'm letting some data, information. And now guys, I have selected these data, okay, for this user sign up. Okay, and I have used first name as Muhammad and last name as Shah, and email as 123@email.com, and gender is equal to male, and password is equal to 123. Okay, I should change it 456. Okay, and here as well 456. Now guys, I'm gonna submit this form and see it's working or not. And guys, and let's see, the form is being submitted. Now come on our database, and now I'm gonna refresh it. As you can see guys, that we have got data here with name, first name Muhammad, last name Shah, and gender male, and email and user password. Now guys, this video is enough for now, and we will meet in the next video. And in the next video I'll teach you how to create sign up form we have created, and on the next video I'll show you how can we create a login form, okay, using HTML, CSS. Okay, and in the sign up form I used JavaScript for validation. Okay, and for login I'll use PHP language for validation. Okay guys, so we will meet in the next video, and till then take care of yourself and goodbye.